and it allows the human operator to focus on making higher level decisions. But those closed loop controllers don't necessarily work so well for many situations, transient situations, batch processes. So they still need close operator surveillance and intervention. Whether we're getting the most out of the plant is still 100% human decision task. How do we bring more advanced autonomy that starts to drive the plant to operate, to optimize its performance? At level 3, we've got more advanced control technologies like APC, advanced process control, real-time optimization. They're using more sophisticated mathematical techniques to drive particular objective functions, outcomes on the area of the plant, and those can be very effective. However, there are still gaps in their capability